Hello everyone, welcome to Law and Visas Immigration. I'm Betty, and it's always a pleasure to help you understand how to travel smart, safe, and legally. So, you're asking, how can I get a Hong Kong visit visa from Nigeria in 2025? You're not alone. Many Nigerians want to visit Hong Kong for tourism, business meetings, or as a stopover to another country. Let's walk through everything you need, step by step, with updated details that reflect Hong Kong's latest immigration policies. First things first, Hong Kong requires Nigerians to apply for a visa before entry, even if you're just transiting through. The visa you need is called the Visit Visa for Leisure or Business, and the application is done through the Hong Kong Immigration Department, not the Chinese Embassy in Nigeria. Here's what you need to prepare. Completed Hong Kong visa application form ID 1003A. You can download this form directly from the Hong Kong immigration website. Fill it out clearly and correctly. If you're being invited, your host will also need to fill form ID 1003B. A valid Nigerian international passport. Your passport should be valid for at least 6 months from your intended date of travel. Passport photograph. Recent passport-sized white background. Travel itinerary. This includes your flight reservation and your proposed travel dates. You do not need to pay for the flight yet, just the reservation. Hotel booking or invitation letter. If you're staying in a hotel, include the hotel confirmation. If you're being invited by someone in Hong Kong, get a signed invitation letter plus a copy of their Hong Kong ID card or passport if they're a foreigner. Proof of funds. Show you can finance your trip. That means your bank statement, preferably the last 3 to 6 months, with a balance that can cover your flights, accommodation, feeding, transport, and personal spending. Employment or business documents. If you're employed, bring a letter from your employer stating your role, salary, and approved leave. If you're self-employed, include your CAC documents and business bank statements. Cover letter. This letter should explain why you're visiting Hong Kong, how long you plan to stay, and your travel plan. Be honest, simple, and direct. Visa fee. As of 2025, the visa application fee is around HKD 230, about 25,000, and payment must be made by bank draft in Hong Kong dollars, payable to the government of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. A tricky part? This draft needs to be sourced from a foreign bank, so using an immigration agency like Law and Visas can help you avoid mistakes. Now let's talk about how and where to submit your application. You have two options. Submit it by courier to the Hong Kong Immigration Department in Wan Chai, Hong Kong, along with all required documents. Or you can submit it through the Chinese Embassy in Abuja, but they may also forward it to Hong Kong Immigration for processing, which takes longer. Processing time is between 4 to 6 weeks, so it's important to apply early. Don't book or pay for your flight until your visa is approved. Now let's touch on transit visas. If you're only passing through Hong Kong on your way to another country, you may still need a transit visa depending on how long you'll be staying at the airport and your destination country. Some passengers transiting for under 24 hours may not need a visa, but this is not guaranteed for Nigerian passport holders, so always confirm before booking. Here are some important tips to avoid visa refusal. Don't submit fake documents. Hong Kong has strict verification. Make sure your account has steady inflow and matches your declared income. Keep your travel story consistent. Cover letter, flight reservation, and hotel booking should align. If you're not sure how to put your documents together or you're worried about getting it right, Law and Visas Immigration can help you prepare, review, and submit your application correctly so you don't waste time or money. Thanks for watching today's breakdown of how to get a Hong Kong visit visa from Nigeria in 2025. At Law and Visas, we make travel and immigration easy for you so you can go from dream to destination without stress. If you found this video helpful, like, follow, and subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment if you have a question. Share this with anyone thinking of traveling to Hong Kong soon. And if you're ready to start your visa process, reach out to us today.